Anyway guys, Street Vibes UK. I didn't run for a while in this park, but I ran along the near the Thames River. That's where I ran a few times, but I want to get back into running like a routine, like what I usually used to do. So anyway guys, I'm ready. Yeah, I'm looking as rough as the weather. We're in winter, real winter. It's January and it's cold, so I'm looking as rough as the weather, so I'm ready. Yeah, I'm blending in with the winter. Running.